Welcome Banana Limited.
So guys, we all got to start with what's it called? ChatGPT by telling it to assume the role of a professional graphic designer and an animator. Or you can use Illustrator if you want. But that will be the first step. So ChatGPT will now switch to the mode of ready to run this kind of styles for you to work with. So once ChatGPT is in this mode, we will now be able to proceed to the next level. Now you have to, for any image you want to use, let's use banana as a case study. Yeah, banana. I wore out this clothes. That's my brand's clothes. So let's just tell ChatGPT to turn this image into a Pixar-Style image or character or whatever, whatever you want to use, As you can see, Pixar-Style, not pizza though. I'm not going to chop pizza for dream. Okay, so in a matter of seconds, you're gonna have this image. Banana, they've dash you short knicker, bomb shot. This ChatGPT can be forming only. You've just allow her be on that shirt alone. Abba. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's now generate a 3D logo of a giant banana. Now this is where we create the logo she's going to push. Majority of the work is done here. Just let you say like 90% of the work is done here on ChatGPT. So as you can see, you put in the prompt of what you want, the logo you want, and if you already have a logo, just upload the logo. Then it's gonna make it 3D. Then here you have it. Banana Republic. Oh man. As you can see, we have a nice banana, curvy banana. Now you save the images you want. This one, the banana. Once you are done saving, you select the two, and you will now ask ChatGPT to generate an image using these two pictures, and you narrate what you want. So for me, I say now I want you to generate an image of the lady pushing from right to left the banana logo to the center of the room. As you can see, that's the instruction. Give me a frame of 16 by 9. Why we use 16 by 9 is if you want Veo to capture everything fully without cropping out some of the images, you need to use this frame size. Then you also specify you want the image to come out in full size. At times, it might generate and cut the torso down from the waist down. So you have to just, give it the proper instruction to follow. Now we have banana pushing banana. Everything is going with bananas. Now, watch carefully. Now, based on this image, let's work on a JSON's prompt for flow in bracket Veo3. You have to be specific with this guy. That's ChatGPT. Now robot, but you must tell them well. Oh God. Oga na in 9 seconds. Go back job before I knock your head. What's wrong with you? Uh-huh. Um, using phone can be stressful. Okay. Yeah, you specify it's in 9 seconds duration because Veo3 allow 9 seconds. Most times it gives you 8 self, but you have to specify what you want. Oh God. Well, don't mind me at the rush. I will fix all the errors. So 9 seconds of the lady pushing the banana from the corner to the center. Corner, 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 corner. Then you tell it to make it dynamic so that you can have the animation will be nice. Then if you want her to see anything, this is you also include it in what you want the prompts to, so you say after getting to the center, let us say welcome to Banana Limited. But we omitted it too because we're just trying to put this together ASAP for everyone to, have an idea of how to go about it. So I wrote welcome Banana Republic. Yeah, Limited. I said Republic. Banana Limited, no be Banana Island though. Yeah. So with this, we are good to go. Okay, now as you can see, it's building, the prompt for Veo3 and giving it a proper breakdown. Mind you, when it's done, just check it out by the end and you will discover that the ChatGPT is giving you other options to follow. It's suggesting what will make this thing, like, would you like me to also have subtitle overlay? All those kind of little questions. Read it. If you're okay with it, you say yes. It's going to rewrite and include that into the prompt so that once you paste it, everything is going to come out correct. And still, it's still going to give me one or two after this one. It gave me like four different, or more than four advice, or for me to just get better. They said, okay, do you want me to also have the playful text pop up? I I also, I said yes. All we need is just to tweak it a little to give us what we want. Like, I wanted a gray background. I didn't want the room to continue with the animation. So I went back into the image, click the edit side. Yeah. Click the edit side. Now, once you click the edit, it's going to bring the image down for you. Then say, can the background, do not change the background to whatever color you want. Can the background be replaced with with just gray color? But I would suggest, before you start writing the prompt for Veo3, if you want to edit any of the images, do it before now, because like this now, instead of it to change this image background on what ChatGPT is adding the instructions now to the prompt. That's what it's going to do. Is adding it to the prompt instead of it to change the image. So that's why if you see the ending or the finished work of this little series, you will discover that banana push banana from our room to the gray session. So that's it. So from here, the system will still write and give you some suggestions at the tail end. I think some of these suggestions are quite good, but if you don't need it, just say no, and or just copy, just copy it and move to your next place, which is Veo, that's Flow platform, where you can go and generate the image. They said, do you want me to have spotlight? That's what makes the banana, there's a spotlight on the banana. And I think after this, he asked me if I want the banana to spark or something. I also said yes. He said, just want me to make the banana sparkle, So I said yes. Then I brought the whole thing to Flow now. I selected the image. This is why you need 16 by 9 frame. So I to give you the exact image. It won't crop out any meaningful part. Now, what you do now is that since it's frame to video, you go back into your ChatGPT and copy the prompt. You just generate it, go back and blast it inside. Then when you are done blasting, set your apparatus to Veo3 because we wanted her to say some. Don't forget to change it to 1 and don't generate 2. Credit cost to now fire. Do you know that I'm using 40 coins to teach you people this thing? After this lecture, my OP is active. Appreciate your lecturer. And that person will get money, and I ain't go pass my course, so okay. So guys, that's just all the step you need to go with. Nothing mega. We will all make this AI money. And you people should not forget though, apart from AI, your guy is a certified auto dealer. You want luxury, armored vehicles, buying, hiring, just call us Slay Autos _NG. We got you covered. We run things don't run way. Okay, now we done play auntie. Say auntie they run with banana.
Welcome,
Look
Banana
auntie.
Limited.
Yeah, oh shit. Alright guys.
Welcome, Banana Limited.
I think this is it. Nothing more. So you can replicate this on your own. I think this is a
Welcome, Banana Limited.
easy peasy, step-by-step guideline. Thank
Welcome,
you.
Banana
Thank
Limited.
you.